Hello everyone, creators and everyone. Welcome back to this channel, and today we are looking at comparison between two powerful photo editors, Photopea and Remini. One is a Photoshop alternative while the other is an AI enhancer. So which one wins? Let's find out. When it comes to who or what they are best for, Photopea is best for advanced editing, just like Photoshop, while Remini is best for AI photo enhancement, that is old blurry pics, brings them back to life. Let's look at ease of use. When it comes to ease of use, Photopea has a steeper learning curve, while Remini has super simple one-click magic. When it comes to AI magic, Photopea has no AI, it is all manual editing, whilst Remini definitely has AI magic, and it also sharpens and upscales images. When it comes to their cost, Photopea is free, but get ready for advertisements, so you're going to see ads, while Remini is also free but limited, and if you want a pro version, you pay for it. When it comes to speed, Photopea has manual work. Since it is manual work, it's kind of slower, while Remini gives you instant AI results, so it's much faster. When it comes to editing tools, Photopea has layers, filters, and brushes, but Remini has auto fix and color correction. Lastly, let's look at, do they have mobile apps? Well, Photopea doesn't because it's web only, but Remini does for iOS devices and Android devices. So in summary, Photopea is like a free Photoshop, which is great for pros who need control, while Remini is your go-to for instant AI-powered photo fixes. Selfies, old pics, Remini wins. But for deep edits, Photopea rules. That's right, Photopea rules. So which one do you prefer? Drop a comment, and if this helped, smash like and subscribe for more AI tool battles. See you in the next one.